Welcome to a new card making video. Today I'm sharing 3 cards I made with Brushos and embossing. I'm working with watercolor paper and I embossed a stamped image with white embossing powder. After I heat set it, I add water and Brushos. Whenever I have puddles of water, I use a dry brush and soak it up. Spraying the backside with water sometimes helps to avoid warping. During the drying process with my heat tool, I always spritz new water droplets onto the surface. That creates a really nice texture. Finally, I add a sentiment also with embossing powder and mount the card to a card base. I start the next card in the same way. I use a stamp and emboss it with colored embossing powder. This time I used a metal line from Wow. Of course, I heat set the powder before I start with Brushos. I wipe away the rest of the color from the embossed parts. Finally, I adhered a glittered butterfly and my sentiment. For my last card, I'm using a doily stencil. I use Versamark ink and press it onto the stencil to get a good impression onto my card. Again, I heat set everything before I go in with Brushos. I use the Colorcraft Aztec metallic paints mixed with some water and add some splatters to my card. After I mount the background to a card base, I adhere my sentiment. I die cut the greeting and the letters from cardstock that was covered with double-sided tape. Finally, I add some shimmer with a Nuvo Aqua Shimmer pen. Thanks for watching today. Please give me a thumb up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!